Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Trailblazer key fob here. It works for these models. You don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is right on this side of the fob right here, you see this small button, this one. Now press this button, and when you press it, pull this mechanical key out. When you remove the mechanical key, take it, and right here, when you hold the fob like this with the buttons facing down, right here you see this hole. Now you need to insert the tip of the mechanical key right in this hole like this, and now twist it a little bit and push up, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces like this. Now, when you separate the fob into two pieces like this, right after that, on this side, you see your old dead battery over here. Now to remove the battery, take the mechanical key or the small flat screwdriver, and with the tip here or here, insert it and just push the battery outside. Now, when you remove the battery, now install your new battery in the same place, like this, and now very important step. Here, make sure this here is the negative side. So place the battery here with the negative side like this, and when you place it, right after that, take these two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, and just snap them together. Now when you snap them together, take this mechanical key again, place it back in the fob just like in the beginning, like this, and when you do that, right after that, your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful, and take care.